Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me go over these orders after I see this Uber order. 1446, 2 drop-offs, 25.5 miles. That's absolutely crazy. Look, this DoorDash shift is about to end soon. Grubhub send me one dumb order and that's it. Man. Okay, so 1446 on that Uber order. We got $10.50 for 17 miles. 2 pickups. One drop off. Both orders go to the same customer. But guess what? Both orders are gonna stay right where they at because we is not taking that. Then they sent me 1550 for 11.4 miles. 2 pickups right next door to each other. Freddy's Frozen Custard and Chipotle. One drop. No, two pickups right next to each other. 2 drop offs. Still a bad order. We not doing that. Then Uber sent me $7.68 for 7 miles. Trash. DoorDash sending me all these long distance deliveries. I made it all the way down to a 7% acceptance rate. I'm quite proud of myself. We got 1150 for 12.1 miles. Like DoorDash is trash. DoorDash is trash, man. Then look at this $2 add-on they tried to send me earlier. No. Like, come on, man. I look. 817 for 2 miles. I got a screenshot, 4 seconds left. Taco Bell for that taco smell. We got 4-to-1 miles to money ratio and Taco Bell right across the street. And Uber Eats sending me an order at the same time. Let's see what that is. Ooh, $13.04 for 9 miles at Target. I cannot get with that. That's a little bit too much for me. But I tell you what, hold on. Is we getting an add-on? Because I definitely accepted that Taco Bell. Oh my goodness, that's a no-tip add-on. That's all bad. We won't be doing that. But I'll do this Taco Bell. I didn't even know they did add-ons at McDonald's. That's crazy. Look, let's go ahead and get a screenshot. But shout out to Dennis, man. Go ahead, head over to Dennis Jerome Jr., formerly known as the Amazing Hustler. Hit that subscribe button for him. He's doing a little live stream right now. We gonna decline this and keep it moving. Look, let's decline that. Let's see what this other Uber offer talking about. $4 for 4 miles? Nah, I'm good. I'm good on that. That's a decline. Let's head over to Taco Bell, see if they got this order ready. Dang, another Uber order? $10, 9 miles, PetSmart. I'm smart. I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, guys, so we got our Taco Bell order in the car. We about to drop that thing off. And Uber Eats just blessed me. They sent me a $10 order. $10, 2 miles at Red Robin. Not Round Robin, Red Robin. Let me get through this little construction real quick. $9 for 24.6 miles. That's crazy right there. Taj Indian Cuisine, 41-minute estimated time. No, sir. That's absolutely insane. So we got $6.47 confirmed on Uber Eats. $7.45 for 16 miles on Uber Eats. No, sir. We're not going to be taking that. DoorDash sending me an order at the same time. We got $4.24 for 2.6 miles. Now, I'm not opposed to doing a $4 order on DoorDash, but I need the mileage to be really low. The merchant is good. We got Subway, but still, though, if this would have came in at $5.75, we'd be in business. But looky here, I'm not a $3 driver. I'm not driving a $4 order 2 miles down the road. You're going to have to put a little bit more sauce on that one, DoorDash. But at least it's getting busy now. Orders are picking up, the volume's picking up. It's like this gonna be a $5 order. We got $5 for 4 miles, Viva La Fiesta. I just turned the zoom down a little bit. It looked like I was zoomed in a little bit too much. So we turned that down. $5, 4 miles. That's a decline. That's gonna take us down to, 11%. Let's go. 11% on the acceptance rate. That's what I like to see. Oh yeah, that rain is coming down good, but it's all good. We right here, we pulling in. I think Grubhub just sent me one. Hold on, let me see if I can make it over to the Grubhub app. Yep, there go that cowbell. $10 for 10 miles. Let me just quickly grab a screenshot, and in the same breath, I'm about to decline that. That's crazy. $10, 10 miles. 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Okay, so High Point is right here, but this is actually my first time being here. I've never been to this merchant before. And oh my goodness, it's raining cats and dogs, if you wouldn't believe it. Look at this. Let me go ahead and turn the wipers off. Look how much it's raining. It is coming down. Okay. I hope they got this thing ready. If this was drive-through pickup, that would be even better. It does not say that we can use the drive-through. I don't got no umbrella. Let's see if I can make it up there. See, I don't see a pickup window or nothing. But you know what? That is all right. Throw this hat on real quick so I don't get too wet. All right, let's see if they got this one ready. We picking up for Anton. Before I head up in here though, let me check this pickup time. Pickup time is 3:07. All right, so it should be ready. I got my fingers crossed. I'm about to run up in here. Hopefully I don't get too wet. Oh my goodness.